Dad, I want to go on a trip. I want to see new places. Yes, I want to travel too. It will be fun for us.
That is a good idea. Let me think about it.
What about Japan?
It is a beautiful place.
Japan sounds amazing. I really want to go. Yes, Japan. I want to see animals.
Okay, we can go. Let's plan this trip.
Yes, let's go to Japan. This will be a great trip. Let's start packing now. We need clothes for the trip.
I will take my camera. I want nice pictures. These are my toys. I like them very much.
I have the tickets. The passports are ready.
Check everything carefully. Do not forget anything.
I am ready now. Let's go to the airport.
Okay, let's go. Our trip starts now.
We are going now. I feel very excited. I see the road outside. Everything looks so nice.
We will reach soon. Stay ready with your bags.
Nice!
The airport is close now. Get ready, everyone.
Get ready, everyone. We are at the airport. There are many people here.
Stay close to me. Hold your bags carefully. Come.
Look at that airplane. It is so big.
That is our plane. It will take us to Japan.
We are on the plane now. I feel very happy.
Look outside the window. We will fly very soon.
I feel a little scared. The plane is moving fast.
It is okay, Lily. You are safe with us.
We are flying now. Everything feels calm.
This food is nice. I feel better now. This trip is fun. I like this journey.
We will reach soon.
Get ready for Japan!
We are landing now. Welcome to Japan.
We are in Japan now. Everything looks different. This place is so nice. I like it here.
Let's find a taxi now. We go to the hotel.
Look outside the window. The city is very clean. I see tall buildings. This city is beautiful. This room is so nice. I like this place.
Let's rest for now. We explore tomorrow.
What do we do tomorrow? Let's make a plan.
I want to go outside. I want to see animals. Yes, animals are fun. Let's go to a park.
Good idea. We go to a park tomorrow.
Hello. This place is so big.
There are many people.
I see many shops. Everything looks bright.
We are at the park. Stay close and be careful.
Let's go inside now. We will see animals here.
This park is very big. I like this place. Look, I see animals. They are so cute. There are many deer here. They are walking freely. Why is he alone here? Where is his family?
Stay calm and quiet. Do not scare the deer. I think he is lost. We should help him.
Yes, we will help him. Let's find his family.
Look over there. I see more deer.
Yes, that is his family. He is going to them. He found his family. That is very nice.
We did a good thing. Helping others is important.
I feel very happy now. Let's go play.
Look, there are swings. I want to play here.
This is so much fun. I love this place.
This was a beautiful day. We helped and had fun.